Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Generative Fill. To begin, open Adobe Photoshop and select an image. You'll find Generative Fill integrated into your selection tools. Simply make a selection using any tool like the lasso or marquee. Once your selection is active, a contextual taskbar will appear, offering the Generative Fill option. Click on it to activate the feature and prepare for AI-powered image manipulation. Adding new content is straightforward. First, make a selection in the area where you want to introduce an element or select an existing object to transform it. Next, type a descriptive text prompt into the Generative Fill bar. For example, you could type a fluffy white cloud or a vintage wooden chair. Photoshop will then generate 3 distinct variations based on your prompt, allowing you to pick the best fit for your composition. Extending your canvas or removing unwanted objects is equally simple. To extend an image, select an area beyond its current boundaries, then click Generative Fill without a prompt. Photoshop will intelligently expand the background. To remove an object, select it precisely and leave the prompt box completely empty. The AI will seamlessly fill the area, making the object disappear as if it was never there, maintaining visual consistency across your image. For the best results, always use clear and specific text prompts. Instead of tree, try a tall oak tree with autumn leaves. Experiment with the 3 generated variations. Often, one will be a perfect match. Refine your initial selections carefully, as the quality of your selection directly impacts the AI's output. Remember, Generative Fill is a powerful tool for creative exploration, offering endless possibilities for image enhancement and transformation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.